Jonathan from Super Duper Bikes here, out on location, which is usual, but today we got something a little different. I don't know how many of you people remember this from about a year ago, but this thing kicked my butt for about a month straight restoring it. This is a promotional vehicle for a very awesome local company called Seasucker, and they put this thing in parades and all kinds of fun stuff, tow it behind their vehicles with their patented vacuum cup technology. Well, it fell off one of the vehicles last year and crumbled that fork. So today, we're going to replace the fork. Here we go. That wasn't too bad. Next up, we're going to have to fit a new fork with that race. Stay tuned. Our next step to getting this fork, the new one, to fit onto that contraption is to cut the steer tube enough to where the original hardware fits and not have to put a ton of spacers and on it and make it look ugly. So what I've done is marked the spot where it needs to be cut. I put the headset crown, which is threaded, lower so that after it's cut, you can actually clean up the threads and screw this nut up, file it off a little bit, and it's going to be ready to install. So here we go. Now before we cut anything metal, you want to use some type of a lubricant. The WD-40 is going to be just right for this job. We're going to hit it right on the threads and slowly start cutting. Huh. Here we go. Piece of cake. Here we go. With the fork cut to size, filed, now we're ready to go to install it onto the old frame. Let's get to work. done. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch me on the next project.